I have to remove it?
Yes.
Guys, we are heading to Gokulam Park now in our room.
The direction is given in the card. Correct. That's how. Now.
Guys, this is my room in the hotel. It is very big and there were 2 beds. And now we are heading to the swimming pool in a club cart. You can see the view around me. It was raining and now we are going. Guys, this is the map. This is the place where the swimming pool is. It's in a different building. It's in another building.
Third, no?
We are in the elevator.
Close the door. Hey, wait.
Yeah.
And now we are finding the swimming pool. Just look around. There is a spa, a fitness center, many other things that we haven't explored yet. We will later.
Come here, it's here.
This is the spa and gym. Come.
Open here, it's this side.
It's a gym.
Okay.
I forgot where was the swimming pool. That's why.
What is Emerald Room? This is the pool?
The swimming pool was very beautiful.
This is
You
that
could see the
building which
Kochi
is
metro
also
from here.
That's okay. You can go if you want.
Inside.
Once you finish,
I'll
I'll take
change.
you. That once Papa comes, you can go and change. Come.
I think they're going. Look, there's the light.
It was raining very heavily in the pool. And there was also Kochi metro. You could see it from here.
See this room?
We are going back to our hotel then. My dance.